Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today we're looking at smoking wood. Welcome back to CountryWoodSmoke HQ. A lot of people ask me questions about smoking wood, so I'm going to hopefully give you a few answers. I'm a big fan of adding a little bit of smoke to my food, and to do that you need to add some smoking wood. There's lots of different choices you can make when using your smoking wood, and here is how I like to look at it. You can use fruit wood such as cherry. I've got some lovely cherry here. This is a bit of pear here. Wonderful, fragrant, sweet smoke, nice and clean. Plum, you can use apple, you can use all those amazing fruit woods. You can use nut woods. This is hazelnut. It's wonderful British wood to smoke with. Very nutty smoke. You can use hardwoods, things like oak, birch, beech, any of those woods. Ash is quite a light one. Or even woods from the States such as hickory. Hickory is a wonderful smoke. And here I've got some nice hickory chips. They add a lovely bacony flavour to food and a nice rich smoke. And of course, the good old oak. You can see there, it's got a nice char. So these are from bourbon whiskey barrels. These are the staves off the barrel. You've also got choice between chips here. You can use chunks or you can use actual pieces like this. So a lot of choice. A chip burns very quickly and gives a very quick hit of smoke. A big chunk like this will smoulder for a long time and give a nice steady smoke over a long cook. If you're doing brisket or ribs or something like that, that gives a nice long smoke. So you've got lots of choice there. Please don't use too much smoke. It's a mistake a lot of beginners use when they start out. You only need like a handful like that, just sprinkled over the coals. You get a nice trickle of smoke, or a chunk like that. That's quite a big chunk, maybe half that size. A piece like that, that will smoke for a long time and give you a long steady smoke. If you use gas to barbecue with, then you can wrap a piece of foil around some of these chips or a chunk near the burners, and that will then smoke and add a nice fragrant smoke to your gas cooked food. Just have fun, experiment, find out what you like. My favourites are probably a combination of cherry and oak, or cherry and the hickory there. I usually pick my two favourites and tailor them for the food I'm cooking. So I hope that helps you and gives you a few tips on how to use wood for smoking. If you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, that box over there, smash it, subscribe, let me know you like what I'm doing here, and any other videos you'd like to see me do, pop a message in the box below and let me know. Cheers.